Sorry.
No, no.
No, it ricocheted. Oh, country road, the pipes are blowing.
Shays don't count though.
Oh, okay, that means.
I mean.
So all my armbands.
Ow! Hey Mason, quick question.
What's up?
You don't have my G&G bag, do you?
The what?
The one with the follower?
No.
I haven't seen it since Chrono this morning. I know a lot about the Galapagos turtle.
What? What?
No, what she said. I'm smart, but I'm only smart about certain things.
Stop trying to shoot me.
Not trying to shoot you. No, I'm just giving you the illusion that I'm trying to shoot you. What? Is that, he said that game?
How many lives do you have? Oh, how many lives do you have?
Hold on.
One?
I don't know.
That's a bug. I thought I got shot, but it was a bug on my arm. Where is it?
Hit!
Oh, you! That was a grenade.
Oh. I think I hit him in the forehead.
What if we accidentally shoot people?
Oh, sorry! Thought you were airsoft. I shot paintball. Yeah. No, you didn't.
Whoa!
Well, shoot him again. Shoot him again.
One's dead, remember?
Hey, call those. All of us are hitting you. Really?
I'm rushing. I'm gonna run.
Hey, Eric, can you go up there? Hit. Or not. Really? How have we not killed you? Can you hold my KWAs?
Put them in your dump pouch.
Can you hold
Where
this?
did you get the mags?
What?
Where did you get the magazines?
Just assorted.
Like,
Some people in trade, some people I found.
No, like where did you grab them from to reload your gun?
Well, no, I just want them out of the way. Because they aren't feeding.
Oh, that's no good. What are they? KWA?
Yeah.
I noticed that with a few of mine. The springs seem to not really have much heat to them. My KWA's work.
Here,
Do you have the mid caps or the high caps?
you can have all those.
So you guys, you have to keep your mask on at all times on the field. Do not take it off when you reach calling up on TV.
No.
Shut up, Kyle.
I mean, I'm still a sponsored player.
Yeah, that's true.
Doesn't mean I can't kick you out now.
It still does.
Look good to your sponsors.
Alright, so we'll give them Hellfire. Dude, I love your optic gun. Okay.
Thank you. Stop trying to take off my tracer unit.
Do you even have tracer BBs in it?
No, but it's the one that does the flash.
Oh,
They immediately hit the deck. Balcony, hit. Oh, I know I spawned. Ow.
Damn.
I just shot myself. Okay, he's dead. I see you, Mikey. Yes! All right, I'll just stay there for now. Hit. Dang it. Yep. I didn't have any gas in the grenade. Wait. Why is there somebody on the other side of the field?
I think they're dead.
Hey. Hey, Mason! Mason! There's people on the other side of the field. They're allowed to? Okay.
I was watching a video of like good like airsoft loadouts, like just like cool ones, and I saw like a white back.
Yep, the flying white.
That one. I want to catch
What
it.
is
That
the
one.
Okay.
That one's like $600.
Catch the BB.
Scared to use it though, because if it got the tiniest bit dirty, I thought.
That's why I got the
Oh, wait.
full tone one instead of the.
No,
the
watch out, I don't want to shoot your gun.
That's probably
Stop blocking your pouch.
Oh yeah.
Ow, my hand.
What?
Shot my hand.
It hit your hand?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, ricochet. Here.
Hit.
You're dead. You can't play that.
See, I called my hits.
Should I change batteries?
I don't know. Get a higher rate of fire.
Look at that stupid I look in your mask.
You want to hear Eric squeal like a girl?
No, don't do it.
Sausage equals energy. Not like that.
Sausage equals
Energy.